You ready? I got some hate mail on my previous overview of removing the console. So I thought I would redo this, do an update to this so I could get some more hate mail. Which I think is coming. I think some more hate mail is coming. All right. So I'm going to use my own instructions from last time, and I'm going to try to remove this center console cup holder so you can see how it's done. Okay, there's clips here and clips here, and what you want to try to do is remove this and pull these back clips up first. So I'm going to try to do that now. It is not easy to do. What are you laughing about?
Maybe if you weren't a vegan, you could do.
Oh my goodness.
So let's restart.
No. Leave it. I'm almost got it. Did you restart it? Did you see that?
That was awesome.
Did you get it?
I got it.
All right. So that pops out the back. And now you just shimmy it like that. And look at that. Okay, come over here. Look at this. Right here. Right here. See, there's a screw here. And there's a screw here. And here are the friction clips right there, right there, right here, and right here. Yep. So that's how you take it loose. I mean, it just pops right out of there. Easily pops out. No effort whatsoever. Now I got to put it back. This is not going to be easy.
It kind of just pops back in.
Yeah, it just pops right back in there. There. And there. Done.